Asibuke no question 2. Sinikeza geometric sequence basitshela ukuthi 7 u-x no-63. Now i-question yokuqala ifuna sithole a possible values of x. Now uma basitshela ukuthi i-geometric sequence okusho ukuthi i-term lesibili moyidivide nge-term yokuqala izolingana ne-term yesithathu moyidivide nge-term yesibili. Then asibhale phansi lento esisho. Sithi thina i-term is 2.1. I-term yesibili moyidivide nge-term yokuqala iyalingana ne-term yesithathu noma idivide nge-term yesibili. Because basitshela ukuthi bona this is the geometric sequence. Then mase siqhubeka sisabhe into the substitution la khona khona i-term yesibili siyazi ukuthi sino x, i-term yokuqala yu7, i-term yesithathu yu63, i-term yesibili yu-x. Then mawufika la just get rid of the denominators or wenza izinto ezilula cross multiply. Now x times x uzokunikeza x squared is equals to 63 times 7 uzokunikeza 441. So you've got 441. Then most ufuna x you put a square root. Remember mofaka square root it's a plus or minus. So now let's go plus or minus square root of plus or minus square root of 441. Then you square root of an answer, it's 21. So it's plus or minus 21. Those are the possible values. That's why let's say find possible values. So which means agiyona itheme yodwa amatheme amangaki awu-2 or more. Then u-2.2 usuthi-ke manje the first term of a geometric sequence. Shuthi u-2.2 la but the first term a geometric sequence u-15. Uma kuthiwa i-first term sesiyazi vele ukuthi i-value ka-a le. Uma siqhubeka basitshela ukuthi i-second term ilingana no-10. Now they want us to find i-term yes-10 ukuthi ingabe yuba. Uma basitshela ukuthi i-geometric sequence, then it's simple to find the value of r, which is the common ratio. So r i-term yesibili divided by i-term yokuqala, whereby i-term yesibili ilingana no-10, i-term yokuqala u-15. Then try calculator. 10 divided by 15, then you know your answer, it's 2/3. So we've got the answer here, which is 2/3 as a common ratio. Now bafuna ukuthi i-term yes-10 yuba. Remember ukuthi formula the nth term for a geometric sequence. I-formula yakhona ithi n term is equal to a r to power n minus 1. Bafuna i-term yes-10 ukuthi yuba. U-a wakho uyazi ukuthi u-15. U-r usuwutholile ukuthi u-2/3. I-value ka-a ni term yes-10 minus 1. Then you will find your answer. Uyifake njengoba inje uzothi 15 uthi 2/3 all the raised to power 10 minus 1 9 loyo. So you've got 2,560 over 6,561. So i-value lapho it's 2,560 over 6,561, which is 0.39, or which is approximately 0.39. So good. Now equation elandelayo isithi asithole ke manje isum in 9th term. So 2.2.2 lo. So 2.2.1 lo. Then now the sum to n term is equals to a into r to the power minus 1 and then over r minus 1. You know your value of a, what's the value u15, and you know r wakho 2 over 3, but it's only sum to 9 times, so lakhona khona n ngifaka 9 minus 1, all divided by 2 over 3 minus 1. Then from here, just use your own calculator, and then you've got 2 over 3 raised to power 9 minus 1 over 2 over 3 minus 1. So isum yakho uthola u43.83, 43.83. So yona sum yakho le of amaterm awu-9. Then question 2.3 snikezwe u-0 minus half, 0, half, 0, 3 over 2 and so forth. Basho ukuthi assume this number pattern continues consistently. Uma singabheka u-0 phakathi ufike kube u-0 bese kube i-pattern, kube u-0 kube inumber futhi ashintshile kube u-0. So kusho ukuthi u-0 lapho ba in between i-pattern kahle kahle. And u-0 uyi-odd number. So we've got an odd la. Kanti lo uyi-even number. So we've got an even. Now odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Now ukusho ukuthi i-pattern ihamba kwi-even number pattern, yabo? But ake si-check ukuthi nale even pattern yakhona ikhuluma ngani. Is it an arithmetic or is it a geometric? But sizokuthola lokho. But okwamanje, let's see ukuthi question yokuqala ithini. Question yokuqala ithini? Determine, write down the value of the 191 term of this sequence. Buka, determine kali odd kuze even. 191, it's an odd. So itheme elandelayo la u-0. Ngoba u-0 uyoba i-odd. 190 kube kuyi-even pattern number ethile. Itheme pattern number yokuthile. And then la lo 0 bese landela as 191 as an odd number. Let's go to 2.3.2. Determine the sum of the first 500 terms of this sequence. 500 terms when we odd ne even. So 250 were odd, 250 even. So sum of zeros is 250. So you know to sum here that was over 0. Sum of 250. So the sum of 250 card we have to 0. Because 0 more to 0, no more 0, no more 0, the answer 0. But most exactly pattern again manje. Ake sibhale kahle ke sibone. Ithi half. Ngeke ngisayilanda la kuqaleni la iqala khona ngo 1. So what I will do ngiziqhamuka sengiyibhala nje ukuthi ithini kahle kahle. Now ithi negative half 0 kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. So ithi negative half 0 iphinde ithi half iqhubeka kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. Now I need to find ukuthi ingabe le pattern engiyibhalile la i-arithmetic noma i-geometric. It's 3 over 2, 5 over 2. So kuyashintsha kahle kahle. 3, 5, 7. So I have 3, 5, 7. Then I'm denominator where I will. So now let me see. What is it an arithmetic pattern? 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 minus negative half again. The answer is what? It's 1. So it first difference 1. 3 over 2 minus half. The answer 1. Okay. 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Difference 1. Kanjalo na 7 over 2. Minus 5 over 2. The answer 1. So the first difference 1 and the common. So the first difference is common, which means we've got a linear pattern. It's in the formula linear pattern. Its n term is equal to a plus into n minus 1 into d. It's for an arithmetic sequence. Should the sequences now like it's an arithmetic. Now, bafuna sum. I'm gonna use the formula yesami arithmetic sequence. The formula yakhona ithi sum to n term is equals to n over 2 into 2e plus into n minus 1 into d. D stands for a common difference, which is 1, and n will be sum to 250 terms, because the sum of 250 terms the n is 0. So now let me find the sum to 250 terms. So the factor 250 log n divided by 2, and then a, the first term, you by term you negative half, plus n 250 minus 1, the difference 1. So far we calculate it. Sorry. So 250 into 2 into 2 into negative half. So in the substitution, plus 250 minus 1 times 1, then the answer is 31,000. So we've got 31,000 for a sum to 250 terms. Now therefore, a sum to 500 times the demand is Zuboba. We do 3,000, we do 31,000, Jalo. Lazo 0 is sum to 250 terms, is with 31,000. So
this podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.